everyone, I am Daniela and I am the SolidWorks and SolidWorks PDM SME for SPK and Associates. Today I'm going to talk about some hide show settings that are super popular that come up for me very often. One of them is the infamous blue origin symbol. So we have a user who opens up their drawing and they see these lovely blue origins. They can clutter up a drawing, not quite what you want to see, but it's very easy to turn that off. So I'm going to go ahead and open up SolidWorks here. You'll want to go to your top menu here and click on View. Then scroll down to Hide Show. And for the origins, we will want to make sure that Origins is unselected. So we are all good here. As a bonus, since we are in this menu, I will touch upon decals. So I often come across miscellaneous things with decals, but if you are not seeing your decal on your part or assembly drawing, always make sure that you have decals enabled in this menu. Sometimes it can be as easy as having this toggled off and the decals will then not load for you. For more SolidWorks tricks and tips, please stay tuned.